Well, UCIMU, SISTEMI PER PRODURRE, is the Italian Association of Machine Tools Manufacturers. UCIMU has over 240 member companies, representing 70% of the total industry of the sector. Today we are here at ITC annual seminar. ITC is a business network of 5 companies, member of UCIMU, and UCIMU is one of the 3 associations that support and promote the network initiatives in the Indian market. The other associations are Acimga and Amaplast. UCIMU is supporting and promoting the network since the beginning because it is among the activities that UCIMU carry out for the internationalization of the member companies. In the Indian market, as ITC president also mentioned, we have 2 initiatives. One is the Business Network ITC, and the second one is the Italian Machinery Desk, based in Mumbai at the Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. And my colleague here, Nilesh Yoshi, is the manager of the desk, and he is supporting all the member companies of UCIMU and Amaplast in getting more information about the Indian market and strengthen their visibility in the market.
I'm representing 2 leading Italian associations, UCIMU and Amaplast in India. UCIMU is the Italian Machine Tool Manufacturers Association. Amaplast is Italian Plastic and Rubber Processing Machinery Manufacturers Association. So any Indian company who is looking to invest, if they are looking for expansion and they are looking for a technology from Italy, then I assist them to connect with the right Italian companies. So the Indian companies who are looking to get in touch with Italian companies for their machinery technology requirement, feel free to contact me. I will be always available to help you. This coming January, we will be participating in the IMTEX, which is the machine tool exhibition organized by Indian Machine Tool Manufacturers Association. With IMTMA, we are collaborating. We have a very good relationship with them. Many of our UCIMU members, they will be participating in this exhibition. So we will be available to meet you during this IMTEX exhibition. So see you in January. Thank you.